Hello everyone, welcome back to Arpita's Tech Corner. In this video, we are going to learn about these joining methods, inner join and outer join. In our previous video, we have observed that we are doing the joining between two tables using primary key and foreign key. Now, what is inner join? We have this table 1 and table 2. An inner join returns only the matching rows between two tables. That means you will get only matching rows between this table 1 and table 2. What is left outer join? Left outer join returns only rows from the left table and only matching rows from the right table. That means you will get the complete rows from this table 1 and only matching rows from the table 2. What is right outer join? Right outer join returns all rows from the right table, that means table 2, and only matching rows from the left table, that means table 1. Now, full outer join. Full outer join returns all rows from when there is a match in either left or right table. Okay. So, first you just log into this our PostgresQL, then go to the database which you have created earlier and select the schema, that is our public schema, then go to the table section. Now we are in PostgresSQL. First click on this query tool and our SQL editor is open. Okay. Now we have this customer table and sales table. So let us first understand this inner join, how it works. If select, I need to select two tables from customer, comma, sales. Okay, I have these two tables and let me select some fields from this table. So I'm selecting customer dot customer name, comma, sales dot ship mode. Sorry, it should be outside dot within quote ship mode. Okay. Now I have to mention the inner join thing. So here one option is that I can mention this where clause. Okay. So if I mention this where clause, that means customer dot customer ID equal to sales dot customer ID. This is one type of inner join. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake. Okay, so this is our one type of inner join. Now there is another method. So just copying this one. Okay. Now customer inner join cells on this condition. Let's see. See, we have the similar result. Here I am explicitly mentioning this inner join. Now I will show you how this outer join syntax is there, how we can use this outer join. So first we have this left outer join. Okay, just replace this inner join with this left outer and you will get the result. However, our data set in a different way, but if you have that proper data set, then your left outer join or right outer join will work accordingly. Here I'm just showing you the syntax properly, how you can use that syntax. So here I can use right outer join. Okay, cool. Now, how this full outer join syntax? Normally, in our project, very rarely we are using this full outer join. Okay. Most of the time, for any data analysis project, we are using this inner join or left outer join. Okay. So, this is our full outer join syntax. So, you can experiment this similar joining condition using the other tables. You just need to select this sales table. Obviously, this is your fact table, and then you can select the geography table or product table or any date table. From the geography table, your primary key is this postal code. Okay, just you have to check this one, postal code, whereas in the sales table also you have this foreign key, postal code. Okay. So, in this video, you came to know what is inner join, outer join, what is inside the outer join, what is left outer join, full outer join, and right outer join. I hope you can do your practice with all the queries, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.